original gangster Nangrom.
All right. Our main event of the evening, the final fight of the night. Oh, and it's got some serious bad blood in it.
Tension is palpable.
Anurag Singh from Uttarakhand taking on Johnny, the OG gangster. Well, not the OG, that's a redundant thing, the original gangster, Nangrom.
It's not a double negative though, so it's fine.
Oh, the crowd is losing its mind right now. Here we go. Johnny looking to land that right hand. Anurag with a nice leg kick.
With a couple of leg kicks.
Oh, those are nasty shots.
Yeah, a nice. I mean, it might be.
I can't even hear myself. It's so loud. Johnny, I think, has caught him with the right hand.
Yeah, he caught him with the right hand and the left.
And the left as well, yeah.
So Johnny should just separate. He's clearly got it on hands.
Yep.
Some shoulder shots in there.
Oh, the crowd is going wild here.
Yeah, and the pressure is on Anurag. But he can hear them.
I can barely hear myself, like.
Another shoulder shot. Yeah. Another shoulder shot. Johnny looks like he's having a bit of fun in there.
Referee calling for action from Johnny.
I mean, that counts, kind of. No, but referee Andrew is probably going to separate them, it looks like.
Yep, he's going to separate them ASAP.
And the center of the cage is probably decent enough for
Anurag
Johnny.
seems a little rocked, though.
Yeah, and Johnny is stalking him.
Yeah, he's stalking him. That right hand is coming.
Jab.
Yeah.
Nice jab.
That right hand is coming.
Anurag winging shots. I think that... Oh!
Nice spinning back kick.
Nice uppercut, nice left hook.
I'm surprised Anurag is not shooting actually at John.
I mean, maybe he wants to prove a point.
But that's such a bad idea against someone like Johnny.
Yeah,
like,
he has crazy power.
He's got just insane power. He just needs to land once.
Yeah.
Now
he has changed.
Anurag's bleeding from the side of his head. On the left side, bit of a cut.
I think he caught a right hook earlier.
Yeah, I think he caught a right hook there.
Oh, nice. Oh, that hurt.
He's a little bit wobbled.
Rocked.
Yeah.
A nice big jab. He hurt him again. Big uppercuts. Big left hook. Big right hand. And another big right hand over that.
Both guys landing.
Yeah.
But Johnny's got a chin on him.
Better.
Yep, he's got a chin on him.
And he's getting the better of him.
He's a better striker, clearly. Both guys taking shots.
But Johnny
as
should
well.
be a bit careful.
Yeah.
Don't get overzealous. Oh, there was a big right hand again. Big.
Nice knee by Johnny.
Nice knee to the body. I want Johnny to come over the top with the right hand here.
Yeah. Separate and throw a right hand.
There was a nice sneaky little uppercut in there. That's now.
Oh, Anurag going for it now.
Yeah, he has a chin, man.
He has
Anurag
a chin.
Has a chin,
he's a big guy. He can take a shot. Anurag should be looking to take Johnny down right now. Maybe grind him out for all of the first round.
Yes, but Johnny has a 2-on-1 on his left hand. I mean, he's kind of safe from the single.
That's what's preventing him from clasping his hands together. Good work by Johnny. He's clearly worked a little bit on his takedown defense, huh?
Although he doesn't believe in jiu-jitsu.
Well, jiu-jitsu believes in him.
And Andrew looking closely at the situation because it looks like
them in a little bit. Anurag is still trying to create positional scrambles.
I mean, as long as he's active, he gets it.
As long as he's active, he's going to be able to stay in this position.
I think he doesn't want to get into a striking exchange anymore with Johnny.
No.
He felt those punches for sure.
Yeah. But this kid's a man. He's a dude.
The kind of shots he took have put down quite a lot.
Yeah.
But again, he wants to exchange in that. I would jab and shoot.
He should not be. He should not be exchanging punches with Johnny. Again, maybe he has a point to prove. Oh, this is under.
Yeah, I mean, I think Johnny got ate leg kick and
Yeah, he made a big mistake.
but then he's up against Gage's okay, so now he has an underhook on the inside.
This is a brawl.
This drawn out kind of grappling match will favor Anurag,
Yeah, the grappling match will definitely favor. The longer it goes,
especially
it
a
favors
striker
Anurag more.
versus a grappler.
Yeah.
Like if you understand grappling cardio, I mean, for years, grappling cardio is different from striking
Yeah,
cardio.
it's completely different
It's a
from
different
striking
feel.
cardio. Yep.
Yeah, the round's about to end now.
Yep. The crowd is going wild, man.
But it looks like a clear first round victory for Johnny.
Yep, it's a clear first round for Johnny. He landed one good shot.
And he might look like the fresher of the two.
Yeah.
I mean, musculature will help you only so much in the fight, after all.
You've got to have that warrior mentality, which
Yeah.
Johnny Nogram has.
Yeah,
All right, round two. Johnny Nogram taking on Anurag Singh. Johnny stalking Anurag here.
Anurag's corner calling for a head kick.
Yeah.
But yeah, Johnny, I think he's having a bit of fun in there. He's
Yeah.
not traditionally someone who throws kicks as often.
It's his final fight. He just wants to go out with a bang, you know.
I mean, nice cross block on
But
his
as I
kick.
said, it's not an easy fight for Johnny as well. Anurag is doing
Yeah.
a great job.
Yeah, he's a 6-time national champion.
He's no chump. Yeah, he's no chump. Yeah. Nice jab by Johnny Nogram. Beautiful.
Oh! Oh!
Nasty right hand by Johnny.
I think Johnny should just separate and throw.
Yeah, he should just separate, make him stand up and throw.
That was almost enough. I mean, he could have finished him.
This is what's going to happen here. Is he's going to allow Anurag to catch a breath.
I think he wants to finish.
Yeah.
By choke.
It's tough to finish him by choke from here, though.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, he could have just kept his distance at
Yeah.
few
I'm assuming
shots.
if he knew
Already
what...
he's still rocked.
Oh,
He's
yeah,
still
he can
rocked.
still...
Oh! Big knee. Big knee. And a few uppercuts to boot. And a left.
Nasty
I
shots by
think
Johnny.
this fight is
He's
about
just
to be
letting
finished.
go.
He's landing a few elbows and punches. This is done.
Good
my
life. This
friend.
is done. This is
This
done.
is done. So, Anurag is game though.
He's game
My
as hell.
God.
But
he
he's
isn't
taking
out yet.
But he's taking so much punishment.
Yeah, almost unnecessary at this
Yeah.
point.
Again, over the top. Beautiful work by Johnny.
It looks like Andrew is going to stop this fight.
Yep.
And the fight's done.
Stops it.
That was crazy.
Incredible win. Can you hear the crowd here? People are going crazy.
That was a hell of a way to finish out a career. Don't you think?